If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can create a very basic report in Access that simply shows the results from a selected table or query. To create a basic report in Access, select the table or query to use as the basis for the report from the listing in the navigation pane. Then click the Report button that appears in the Reports button group on the Create tab of the ribbon. Access then automatically creates a simple report from the selected data source. While it lacks style, its ease of use and simplicity of creation help compensate for it. You can then modify the report's content and layout in Design View after you create it if needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.